I'm taking you to Xiaomi EV factory to see what the future of car manufacturing actually look like. Look at how beautiful this car is. The autonomous driving system really blew my mind. It can remember a parking spot. I want to change my car. Hello everyone, I'm Miao. What's the hottest Chinese EV brand right now? You're probably thinking BYD, right? You are not wrong, but there's another massive player quietly shaking up the entire game. Xiaomi. Yes, that's Xiaomi. The one that make the smartphones and your smart home gadgets. Did you know they've been secretly building the cars? Here is the craziest part. They actually let you tour their mega factory. It's incredibly rare in the EV world. It shows their open mindset, and honestly, it is a brilliant way to win over the fans. Getting the ticket for this tour is like winning the lottery. But since it's summer vacation, they opened up a few more slots. I finally snagged one. Today, I'm taking you to Xiaomi EV factory to see what the future of car manufacturing actually look like. But there is a catch. We all have to sign a strict VDA. No photos, no videos. You have to rely entirely on my eyes and my words. Oh wait, don't click away, please. My camera can't go inside. Doesn't mean the video is over. I promise you, the outside is just as crazy. Here's what I'm gonna to do in this video. First, let's go to see the Xiaomi showroom. What do these cars actually look like up close? Let's find out. Second, I'll tell you the honest thoughts after I walk out of the factory. Spoiler alert, I promise you, it will blow your mind. Third, we are racing a pure electric Go-kart in this factory. I heard the speed is insane. You don't want to miss this. Now, I'm at the lobby area. Look at this place. It's so stunningly designed. See? Okay, let's go to the car showroom first to see what the Xiaomi car looks like. Experience center. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this tour split into two parts, and the indoor and the production line. And the indoor exhibition break down all of Xiaomi's EV tech. Wow. Look at this car. See, the trunk is in front. Look at how beautiful this car is. You know why you see the colorful Xiaomi everywhere? Because they did it the opposite of everyone else. If you want a black or white car of Xiaomi, they will charge you the fee. And if you want the bright colors, totally free. I think it's really a brilliant strategy to make their cars stand out on the road. Wow, the red one. You know, I also drive the EV Neo, my car. So yeah, I'm not very excited about the settings because I didn't drive the petrol, so it's not a lot of difference. Like my car, it also have this large screen, and I can control everything through this screen. It's almost the same. Just my car's SUV, and this is the what's the English word? Yeah, that's the difference. And also one big difference is they have the front trunk. Yeah, mine only have the bottom trunk. That's the difference. Yeah, just like Tesla. Tesla also have the front trunk, right? Wow, this one looks super fancy. Su 7 Ultra. Wow, I like the color, the yellow one. Okay, let's see. Oh, the trunk. And the back.我开吧。
OK，
The testing drive. The salesperson is introducing the driver assistance system to me. Strictly speaking, this is level 2. So you still need to keep your hand on the steering wheel. It's different from driverless robot taxi, which are considered level 3. I like the design of the sunroof, and they've also added heat insulation to reduce the heat coming through. Oh, now it's my turn to drive. I'm testing the sport mode now, the acceleration performance. It might not look that impressive on camera, but it feels amazing. That said, it's not something that you actually need in daily life or city driving. I'm really interested in this driver assistance system. It surprised me that this system doesn't require a separate payment. For my car or for Tesla, you have to purchase this feature separately. The biggest surprise is coming. The car is starting to park itself. Of course, automatic parking is already quite common in EVs. But what really impressed me is that it can remember a parking spot. The salesperson said that if you simply drive the route once, from the entrance of your home to the garage, the car can memorize it. The next time, it can find the same parking spot by itself. Wow, that's seriously smart. Look, the car found the parking spot by itself and it's parking now. Wow, so smooth. I want to change my car.
而且它的颜色。
You know what? I think the EV car is developing very fast. The driving experience so smooth and so advanced. You see the self-driving system is level 2, which means your hand have to on the wheel, but it's so smart. You don't need to decision for anything, and the car can drive itself. Wow, I think it's changed a lot since I bought my EV car, developed so fast. And you know the price? That one, I experienced it, I test only 200,000 yuan. It's quite affordable, right? Yeah. And next, I'm going to the tour. I think soon it will be started. Okay, the tour is starting. This is the Mobius Loop, and the car on the top is a real car, not a model. First, the indoor exhibition. It breaks down all Xiaomi's EV tech. This is the car's chassis. It was independently developed by Xiaomi and uses integrated die casting technology. The blue area is the battery pack. It contains 198 battery cells, supplied by CATL. I don't know if you know this company, but it's very famous by making batteries. The battery pack weighs more than 500 kilograms. Xiaomi's different car models. This is Xiaomi's electric motor. The most powerful version can reach a maximum speed of 27,200 RPM. It's said to be able to compete with the high-speed train. The battery, oh, it's quite heavy. The body uses a steel aluminum hybrid structure. Different colors represent different strengths of the steel, which are used in different parts of the vehicle body. Now we're back to the showroom. This is their new car. It's a range extender car. This one, 7-seater. And you see the seat? It's a rotate seat. See? You can work, relax, or even play cards in the car. I really like this feature. From the very beginning of Xiaomi making cars, every single car on the road came from this exact factory. Look at this shuttle bus. They are taking waves of visitors deep into their production line. It means my camera has to go dark completely. What the factory looks like? Are there really zero human on their production line? I will tell you everything when I get back. 3, 2, 1. In fact, I found a public promotional video online to give you a better idea of what the inside looks like. The factory tour guide shared some insane stats during the intro. I have to tell you guys. Xiaomi's factory has achieved a 91% overall automation rate. For comparison, Tesla's factory automation rate is around 61%. The factory is equipped with more than 700 robotic arms, which are said to be 150 times more efficient than human workers, with an accuracy rate of 99.99%. The factory can produce more than 1,000 cars a day, with a new car coming off the production line every 70 seconds. Wow, I need a second to process what I just saw. If you think you know what a car factory looks like, erase that from your mind completely. What is happening behind those doors is pure science fiction. The size of this factory is 72 hectares. The exact size of the Forbidden City equals 100 football fields. So what it was like inside, it was nothing like the noisy, messy factory I had in my head. In this colossal space, I saw fewer than 10 people. And these few humans were just engineers quietly twinkling codes on the digital screens. All the heavy lifting, the assembling, the testing, the moving is done entirely by robots and the giant mechanical arms. Even the transport vehicles zipping around are autonomous. They actually stopped and yielded to our shuttle. I feel like I stepped through a portal into a sci-fi movie. It was quiet, spotless, perfectly ordered, and oddly comfortable. It gave me literal goosebumps. Just yesterday, I was walking through the 600-year-old Imperial Palace of the Forbidden City, but today I am navigating through a futuristic world. The construct of Beijing is just wild. I'm sure most top-tier factories look somewhat like this, but Xiaomi is the only one bold enough to open its door and show the future to everyday consumers. Who says it isn't the ultimate commercial? If you love the new tech, you have to experience it. Just remember to book it way in advance. Remember, this is a company started by making cheap smartphones, but now they are making cars that drive like this. So my question is, would you buy a car that made by a smartphone company? You can leave a comment and let me know. And I think now enough talking. We are going to experience the pure go-karts in this factory. Yeah, I already bought the ticket. So yeah, let's see. Let's feel the speed. Let's get our adrenaline pumping. Hello guys, I have a super exciting news for you. If you are planning a trip to Beijing and love exploring the real Chinese food, I just released my very own Beijing Food Guide PDF. I've put all my heart into compiling the best and most authentic local restaurant into one guide. You can grab your own copy through the link in the description below. Karting Experience Center. Yeah, I'm the champion! I'm so excited. I'm all geared up and ready to hit the track. Don't let all this racing gear fool you. I'm actually not driving that fast. In fact, I'm the slowest one. I'm not a fan of race and speed. Yeah, I'm here to experience the electric go-karts and of course capture some photos and videos. The problem is the go-karts is actually faster than my camera can keep up with. You know what? Quiet. Quiet. Wow, the speed is crazy. You know, the acceleration pushes you back, right back in the seat. I'm a little bit scared. And you know the best part? Silent. That's my favorite part about the EV because they are silent. Okay, that's all for today's video. Did today's journey blow your mind as much as it did mine? Which part surprised you the most? Leave a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see you in the next one. Bye bye.